Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my short videos, and the question is, would you know the difference between high loss and low loss fake cables? RG58, 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 RG58. I can't remember what cables that is. This one's got a aluminium shield as well as the copper. This one hasn't. This one's got an aluminium shield. These are purchase leads ready made. This is a purchase lead ready made, and this one I made up myself. Get yourself a magnet. These should be copper cables. That's a magnet. That's got steel in it. That's a fake. The steel is in the screen, but not the centre. But you can get these where the inner and the screen are copper coated steel, and they're quite high loss when you check the cable. So this one is a fake because it's got steel in it. That one's a fake because it's got steel in it. This one is a fake because it's got steel in it. This purchase made lead here is not a fake. This lead here is a fake. This one here is okay. You can also get fake connectors, like you ask for a 50 ohm BNC connector and they send you a 75. That's quite a common occurrence. The other thing is, with these connectors, plugs and sockets, they should be brass, but you can get them in monkey metal or the steel, and again they've got quite a high loss. So if you're building an aerial system, watch out for firstly these cables which are fake, and also connectors which are made of steel because they'll rust. The monkey metal ones corrode. They should be brass. So thanks for watching this little video of mine. So all you need is a magnet, and you can test your cables and you can see that's magnetic. And if it's copper, copper is non-magnetic. So once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.